Welcome to the Oxford Wine Company. We're here in the Turl Street cellar for another tasting of local produce within 30 miles of Oxfordshire. What are we trying today?
So we are revisiting the Cotswolds Distillery. The whiskey is the main project that they were starting on at the Cotswolds Distillery, and last October they actually finally got to the 3-year marker that enabled them to release their single malt with maturity in ex-bourbon barrels, but they actually finish it in old American oak red wine casks, and that gives a really lovely fruity flavour. And
So that's a good way of giving sort of a young whiskey good fruity vibranticity.
Definitely, it adds age to it and a lot of full bodiness, and they don't chill filter it, so you've still got all those lovely full flavours in there, a lot like the gin that you would have remembered.
Well, here it is.
And
You do get that fruit forward
Definitely.
thing. I've got that same smell from older whiskies, which is
Yeah,
quite
definitely.
Bing. A lot more complexity than I was expecting on this whiskey.
yeah, definitely.
Only do the Cotswold Distillery produce fantastic whiskey, amazing gin. They've also got a cream liqueur.
This is for all the Baileys lovers out there.
Yeah.
This is actually made from the new make spirit that they use for the whiskey. So you've got the malted barley that has been distilled, and before they put it in any barrels or anything like that to make it into whiskey, what they do is they send it over to Tipperary in Ireland, where they blend it with Irish cream, and it is then made into a cream liqueur. Yeah, you really get a more fuller flavour in this one. I can get a lot of like fudgy, raisiny.
Got a lot more going on.
It tastes like a proper drink. It doesn't taste artificial.
It's almost like it melts on the palate, I think.
It's like ice cream that has melted in your mouth and made itself into a lovely alcoholic drink.
You can make a nice milkshake with that.
Oh, you can make a great milk.
That would bring all the boys to the yard.
So this would be really nice with a bit of coffee, a nice after dinner drink.
After a digestive, I think it's...
If you've loved this video as much as we love it, make sure to share it on social media.
Any questions though? Got an email right here. Please send them across. We don't answering them.